Good morning, students. So, in our yesterday's previous class, we saw line segment point, collinear points, non-collinear points, and concurrent points. Okay. Now, you can see if I will take this, which shape it is? Book is having which shape? Rectangular shape. Okay. So this rectangle, you can see these rectangles here. Four corners are there. Yes. This book is of rectangular shape, which has four corners. Yes. So what are these corners? These corners of any shape. That corners are known as angles. What those are known as? Angles. So, angle, we are going to learn about this angles. So, angle is a Latin word which is formed from the word angulus. In Latin, they will say angulus for the corners. So you can see this board also corners are there. This stick, this scale also corners are there. You can see your room walls. It also has corners. This box also has corners. So what these when we are studying about these corners. These corners are angles. Okay. So we are going to learn about these angles, how they form, what are the different types of angles. Okay, so angles are made by joining the two rays. When two rays, now we know this is one ray. Yes, this is one ray. If I say this is ray PQ. This is ray PQ. I will join one more ray to it. Yes, I have joined one more ray. So when two rays are joined together, they form a corner. They form an angle. Okay, so what is an angle? That is when two rays are joined together. When the two rays are joined together, they form an corner. That corner is known as angle. Yes, angle means corner. Okay. So this angle, what it is formed? It has these two rays formed by two rays, ray PQ and ray QR. Okay? What do you mean by angle? You understood only that you tell me first.
Join together called angle, like PQ square.
Yes, together. But first you tell me how it is formed, you understood? Angle is formed by joining two rays. Okay. Now these two rays, when we join, we form a corner. That this angle. So here we can see they meet at a point. This point is known as vertex. What it is known as? This point is known as vertex. And these rays, ray PQ and ray QR, they are known as arms. And so ray has two arms and one vertex. Not ray, angle. An angle has two rays or two arms and one vertex. Okay. Now, how we read it? Always we name ray by two capital alphabet. Here we can see when we are making an angle. Here we have to read angle P QR, or we can read as angle RQP. Either way we can read. One more thing we have to remember. Always when we are writing an angle, vertex should be in the middle. You can't read as QPR. It is wrong. Always Q should be in the middle when we are writing an angle. So
Ma'am,
angle PQR. So always Q should be in the middle. You can write as angle RQP also. RQP or PQR. Anyhow. And what is this? This is the symbol of angle. This is the symbol for angle. Yes? Yeah? What happened? Yes, we are going slowly to first understand what is angle. Then we'll go to exercise. First you understood about angle?
Yes, ma'am.
Angle has how many vertex? An angle has one vertex. And how many rays it is formed by? How many rays? By joining two rays. Okay, by joining two rays, we will get this angle, this middle. This is known as an angle. So, and this is the symbol for angle. This is the symbol for angle. So, always when we are reading an angle, we have to read as angle PQR, or we have to read as angle RQP. Any one method, anyhow you can read. Okay? Till here you understood? Okay. Now, before going to the next point, in our day-to-day life, we can see many examples of angles. You can see clock. You can see clock hands. Clock hands. See this. These hands, what they make? They form an angle. If it is like this also, they form an angle. If it is like this also, they form an angle. Two angles here is formed. So, best example here of angles is this clock. Clock hands makes an angle. One more thing. If you know, you'll all like pizza. Yes? When you remove one slice, when you remove one slice from pizza, that one slice, that also forms an angle. Yes? So there are many examples in our day-to-day life we use where the angles are formed. Okay? You can tell me any other example. See, you can make angles with your hands also. See, like this. There are different types. There are different types of angle. That is this is straight angle. You are having 90-degree angle. Depending on the degrees, we are having acute angle, obtuse angle. Okay, there are
Right angle.
yes, right angle, straight angle, complete angle. There are many different types of angles. Okay, first tell me you understand. Shreyash, your voice is not clear. Yes, yes. Okay. Now, if I will take this angle,
right angle.
Name it.
XYZ angle.
Angle
XYZ.
X, Y, Z. Yes, angle X, Y, Z. Or you can one more time, you can say angle Z, Y, X also. Otherwise, this symbol you can write only the vertex also. Angle Y. You can write this in two ways. One is only angle, only the vertex we can write. Otherwise, we can write with rays, with the arms also. So these are the two ways to write an angle. Okay? Yes, yes. Who was having doubt? Ask. Yes, ask. Your voice is not clear. You can write in chat box what your doubt is there. Yes. Which one? Page number? Yes. 11. Okay. 111. Yes. Yes. OA and OB. That only I don't know. What I told that these are the rays. These are also called as arms. So here two arms are there. Angle is formed by joining two rays, two arms. So OA and OB. These are the two arms of this angle, and O is the vertex. Yes, same thing I told. And one more thing, you can name the angle by using numbers also. You can name it as 1. So this angle will be angle 1. Any number also you can name it. Okay, so there are different ways of naming an angle. Either you can name by using the alphabet or you can name it by using number also. Okay? Yes?
And there can be angle O and angle 1.
Yes, you can write this as angle O also, angle 1 also.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes, yes. Tell what doubt is there.
ma'am, if we name it as a number, then how to read it?
Angle 1. You can name it, read it as angle 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now here we can see here three rays are there. So here we can form this one big angle also, and here small two angles also. So total three angles we can form. When three rays are there, how many angles we are getting? Three angles. See here. This is one angle. This is angle POR. POR. If I will draw one more line ray from here, I will get one more angle POQ. So angle POQ. And one more angle QOR. Angle QOR. So like that we can get different angles also. Yes. So here if you write the numbers, we are getting angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. So here three angles we are getting. This only you are asking no here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, one more thing. Next is interior and exterior of an angle. Interior means the points which are lying inside the angle. Now, this is an angle. If I will write a point S here, this point is inside the angle. So, this point is known as interior of an angle. If I will write you a point M, this point is outside. So it is known as exterior of an angle. So point M is lying in the exterior of an angle. Interior, exterior. Got? Yes, everyone understand? Okay. So this year only you are having the basic introduction of angle, not in detail. Okay, so only you should know how the angle is formed and how the angle is named, and only the points interior, exterior angles. One more thing I'll tell you for your knowledge. Okay. We are having also the angle measuring and drawing angles and classification also we are having. Okay, yes, so this is an instrument which is used to measure and draw an angle, measure and construct an angle. In your geometry box you can see this, what it is called as. See, in your geometry box, you will have like this. This is known as a protractor. What it is known as? Protractor. Okay. This is the instrument which is used to measure an angle or to construct an angle. Okay. In detail, we will do this. Just I have shown you. Now, before that, first we will see the exercise 7.2. Then we will see the angle, protractor angle. Okay. See, exercise 7.2, first one. Name the angles given below. Which angle is this? A, B. Angle. You can name it as angle CBA also. First one. Tell me second one. B1. You can write there only down. In your textbook only you can write down. B, this is A. B1 is angle A. Okay, one more. C1. ACB and angle BCA. Always the vertex you have to keep in middle. That you have to remember. Okay. D, let me D. Angle PRQ. QRP also. Yes. E, next one. PQR or RQP. Okay, next F1. Angle ABC or angle CBA anyhow. Okay. This is the, like this we can name the angle. Again, see second one.
Ma'am, name of the
Here it
Ma'am,
is.
angle ABC.
Here all the angles we have to name. How many angles we are getting here? Three angles we are getting. All the angles we have to name. Again, we will write. Yes. Angle BOC and angle AOC. These three angles we are getting. Angle MXN. Then angle LXN. Last one LXN. Okay, this what symbol you are drawing? Don't write as L. It is, this line is not straight. It is little slanting. Cross. Yes. This is L and this is angle symbol. Okay. Third one. This over. All wrong. Okay. See the next question. Third one. Notebook. Yes. Third one you have to do in notebook. Name the angle using A, B and C in 4 ways and identify its vertex and sides. 4 ways is given. 4 ways. We have to name 4 ways. In your book, 3 ways is given.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in my textbook, 4 ways is given. Okay, we'll do with 3 ways. Okay, we will do with 3 ways. It's okay.
And we should do that in the book now.
Yes. Okay. So 3 ways, which ways? Three ways. Name the angle using 3 ways. Yes?
And ABC is
Angle ABC. So here in angle ABC, vertex is which? Vertex is B. And sides. It has 2 sides, no? These sides.
AC
Yes. Arms. Or we can write as sides.
Yes.
AB and BC.
Ma'am.
Yes.
And we should do it in this notebook.
Yes, this question you have to do in notebook. This you can write in draft. Afterwards you solve do in book. Okay, next. This is one way. Next again.
I'm added.
Next way.
Ma'am, ma'am, 2 minutes.
You can draw this one more angle. We can write it as B. So here angle BAC. Vertex is
Vertex is
A. And arms are okay. Which is the third way?
Ma'am, C should be the this one, the vertex. Ma'am, C,
So vertex is
C.
arms are
C.
AC and BC. And angle is angle AC. These are the three different ways. Okay. Yes. Identify the points
Outside.
outside the angle. Just tell me which points are there
QR.
outside the angle. Outside. Outside the see angle PQR is there. Outside it, which C, D, E. 3 points. Yes. Inside, inside is AB. Point. Here exterior, interior points. Outside of PQR, C, D and E is there. And inside AB is there. You can see now like this is their angle. Here point A and point B is there. And here point C, point D and point E. So these are outside. Inside only A and B is there. Inside the angle is AB and outside is CD and E. Okay? You can write here only. See the next one. Write the name of angle, vertex and side. This you do yourself. Okay? Yes? You will do? Yes, so this completes our exercise here. Next topic about protractor, about the measuring angles, classification, different types of angles in detail and how to construct the angle in detail we will see in our next class. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, exercise 7.1, ma'am, first one.
Yes?
What we should do?
You have to draw in first one, 7.1 first one. Point A, line segment AB, line. What they have told that you have to draw it with pencil. One more thing, important thing, whenever you are drawing line segment, point, you should draw with pencil only. Don't draw with pen. Okay? In your classwork.